Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Shadowing. My name is Vanessa.
And I am Robert. Today we are going to have a simple English conversation about meeting a new friend.
This conversation uses easy English and common daily phrases.
Listen carefully and enjoy the conversation.
Hi there. Is this seat free?
Yes, it is. You can sit here.
Thank you. My name is Vanessa.
Nice to meet you, Vanessa. My name is Robert.
Nice to meet you too, Robert. Are you new here?
Yes, I am. This is my first day here.
Really? Welcome. I hope you like this place.
Thank you. I feel a little nervous, but everyone seems nice.
That is normal. New places can feel strange at first.
Yes, they can. I am trying to remember all the faces.
That is not easy. I still forget names sometimes.
Me too. I can remember a face, but not always a name.
Do not worry. You can ask again politely.
Good idea, I can say. Sorry. What is your name again?
Exactly. People usually understand.
That makes me feel better. I do not want to call everyone friend.
That would be funny. Hello, friend number one.
And hello, friend number two. That sounds like a robot.
Yes, a very polite robot, but names are better.
I agree. I will try to remember your name first.
Thank you. Vanessa is not too hard.
No, it is not. And Robert is easy too.
So, Robert, where are you from?
I am from a small town near the city. It is quiet and friendly.
That sounds nice. Do you miss your town?
A little, yes. I miss my family and my favorite cafe.
A favorite cafe is very important. What do you usually drink there?
I usually drink iced coffee. It is sweet and strong.
That sounds good. I like tea more than coffee.
Really? Tea is nice too. It feels calm.
Yes, tea is like a quiet friend. Coffee is like an excited friend.
That is true. My coffee says, "Wake up, Robert."
My tea says, relax, Vanessa. Do not run.
I like that. Drinks have strong personalities.
Yes, they do. So, what brought you here?
I moved here for work. I started a new job this week.
Congratulations. That is exciting.
Thank you. It is exciting, but there is a lot to learn.
I understand. A new job can feel like a big book.
Yes, and I am only on page 1.
That is okay. Page 1 is a good start.
Thanks. Are you from this city?
Yes, I am. I grew up here.
That is great. Then you know the best places.
I know some good places. I know good food places first.
That is perfect. Food is always important.
Do you like trying new food?
Yes, I do. But I do not like food that is too spicy.
That is good to know. I will not take you to the spicy noodle place first.
Thank you. I want to keep my face normal today.
Spicy food can change a face very fast.
Yes, and I do not want to cry in front of a new friend.
New friend? That sounds nice.
Yes, I hope so. You are very easy to talk to.
Thank you. You are easy to talk to too.
That is good. I was afraid I would sit quietly all day.
Sitting quietly is okay sometimes, but talking can help you feel at home.
Yes, it can. I already feel more comfortable.
Good. Do you want to know anything about this place?
Yes, please, where can I get a good lunch nearby?
There is a small restaurant across the street. The food is simple and tasty.
That sounds good. Is it expensive?
No, it is not. The prices are friendly.
Friendly prices are my favorite prices.
Mine too. My wallet likes friendly prices.
My wallet is very shy. It does not like to open.
That is a smart wallet. It wants to save money.
Yes, but sometimes it must buy lunch.
True, lunch is not optional.
Do you usually eat lunch there?
Sometimes, yes, I also bring lunch from home.
That is healthy. I want to bring lunch more often.
It helps save money, but cooking at night is not always fun.
I agree. After work, my cooking energy is very small.
My cooking energy is sometimes just enough for eggs.
Eggs are heroes. They save many dinners.
Yes, eggs and rice are a great team.
Now I am getting hungry. This friendship started with food talk.
Many good friendships start with food talk.
That is true. Food makes people friendly.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like watching movies and walking in the park.
That sounds relaxing. What kind of movies do you like?
I like funny movies. I like to laugh after a busy day.
Me too. A funny movie can make a bad day better.
Exactly. Do you like movies too?
Yes, I do. I like funny movies and simple adventure movies.
Adventure movies are fun. I like when the hero is brave but silly.
Brave but silly is a good mix. It feels real.
Yes, because real people are not perfect.
That is true. I am brave with spiders only when they are far away.
I understand. I am brave with spiders in pictures.
That is very safe bravery.
Yes, very safe. I like my bravery with distance.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like soccer. I play with friends on weekends.
That sounds fun. Are you good at soccer?
I'm okay. I run a lot, but I do not always kick well.
Running a lot is still useful. You can make the other team tired.
That is my plan. I run, smile, and hope for the best.
That is a friendly soccer plan.
Yes, friendly but not very professional.
Do you watch soccer too?
Sometimes, yes, I like watching big games with snacks.
Snacks make sports better. Even I watch more when there are snacks.
That is fair. Snacks are good friends too.
I like walking in the park, but I do not play many sports.
Walking is great. It is simple and relaxing.
Yes, and I can talk with friends while walking.
That is nice. Walking and talking is a good combination.
There is a nice park near here. You may like it.
Really? I would like to visit it.
It has many trees and a small lake.
That sounds peaceful. I like places with water.
There are also many ducks there.
Ducks? That is even better.
Yes, but some ducks look very serious.
Serious ducks are funny. Maybe they have important duck meetings.
Maybe they walk like they are late for work.
Now I really want to see these ducks.
We can go sometime. It is a good place to relax.
That would be great. I would enjoy that.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I think so. I do not have any big plans.
Maybe we can get coffee or tea and walk in the park.
That sounds perfect. Coffee for me and tea for you.
Yes, and serious ducks for both of us.
Great, I will bring my best duck face.
A duck face? Now I am a little worried.
Do not worry. It is a very friendly duck face.
Good. We do not want to scare the real ducks.
No, we do not. I want the ducks to respect me.
That may take time. Duck respect is serious.
I understand. I will be patient.
Can I ask, what music do you like?
I like pop music. It is easy to listen to.
Me too. I often listen to music when I clean my room.
That is smart. Music makes cleaning less boring.
Yes, but sometimes I dance more than I clean.
That happens to me too. My room stays messy, but my dance is better.
That is a fair result.
Yes, maybe not for the room, but good for my mood.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one younger sister. She is very funny.
That is nice. Do you talk to her often?
Yes, I call her a few times a week. She always has a story.
Funny sisters are good. I have an older brother.
Is he funny too?
Sometimes, yes. He thinks he is very funny.
That sounds like many older brothers.
Yes, but he is kind. He helps me when I need him.
That is good. Family is important.
Yes, it is. Do you miss your family a lot?
Yes, sometimes, but making new friends helps.
I am glad to hear that. Moving to a new place can be lonely.
Yes, it can. Today feels much better now.
I am happy I said hello.
Me too. I am happy you asked about the seat.
It was a lucky seat.
Yes, a very lucky seat. Maybe I should thank the chair.
Thank you, Chair. You helped us become friends.
The chair is quiet, but I think it is proud.
Before we go to lunch, do you need anything?
Maybe just directions. I still get lost here.
No problem. I can show you around.
Thank you. That would help a lot.
The main door is over there. The restrooms are near the stairs.
Good to know. Important information comes first.
The cafe is on the first floor. It has coffee, tea, and snacks.
That is very important too. I like this tour already.
The lunch restaurant is outside, across the street.
Great. I will try not to walk the wrong way.
If you get lost, just call me.
Thanks. Can we exchange phone numbers?
Of course, I can send you a message now.
Great. Then I will have one friend in this city.
Only one for now, but soon you will have more.
I hope so. One good friend is already a great start.
That is true. Good friends are more important than many friends.
I agree. A good friend listens and laughs with you.
And maybe shows you where to buy lunch.
Yes, that is a very special friend.
Do you want to go now?
Yes, please, my stomach is ready.
Then let's go. I will show you the way.
Thank you, Vanessa. I am glad we met today.
Me too, Robert. Meeting a new friend can make the day brighter.
Yes, it can. And lunch makes it even brighter.
That's our conversation for today.
Tell us your answer in the comments. How do you start a conversation with a new friend?
Try to write 1 or 2 simple English sentences.
You can write, "Hello, my name is, and nice to meet you."
If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
Thank you for watching Easy English Shadowing.
Keep practicing a little every day.
See you in the next video. Goodbye.